मसीह यीशु के बाबरकत और जलाली नाम में आप सबों की सलामती हो। मैं एक बार फिर अपने चैनल फैसल रहमत में आप सबको खुशामदीद करता हूँ।
Church converted into office.
The former Victorian Church of St. Mary on Chapel Line in Wythall has been converted to offices and renamed Carillon House after the Carillon bells that were once housed in the church tower.
Gospel of John, chapter number 2, verses 13 to 17.
Jesus is angry about a market in the temple.
When the Jewish Passover was near, Jesus went up to Jerusalem. In the temple courts, he found men selling cattle, sheep, and doves, and money changers seated at their tables. So he made a whip out of cords and drove all from the temple courts, both sheep and cattle. He poured out the coins of the money changers and overturned their tables. To those selling doves he said, "Get these out of here. How dare you turn my Father's house into a marketplace?" His disciples remembered that it is written, "Zeal for your house will consume me."